found this program very helpful, especially the virtual lab that you can do the practicals in class. And I'm thinking of the schools where there's a challenge of labs and equipment. So this is going to be very useful. I've liked the simulators as well, especially in the mechanics when you want to change one variable and keep the others constant. I think also the program has helped in building the teachers' confidence. I've seen some people starting to open up, which means their confidence has been boosted.
I find the HeyMath program very resourceful, very useful for the grade 6s, specifically with regards to the interaction. The learners get to become involved when you call them up to the board. The topics that were very successful for me was the geometrical part with the 3D and 2D shapes, where you can show them the actual faces, vertices, edges, and then also how the object rotates. Also the nets, when the object unfolds, it's quite resourceful for them to see how it constructs and how it disassembles again. We find that it's very, very practical. So they ask the learners, what would your answer be, or what do you think? So that makes it quite interactive. And then also the fact that the pictures are so colorful, it's animated, it can basically rotate. You can also pop up a worksheet in between, you can pause it, you can load an audio. And you can also summarize it up by printing one or two of the worksheets for the learners that struggle to the learners that accelerate faster than others. So my personal experience, HeyMath, I would definitely recommend and advise it for any school, any grade.
I recommend it highly to all the schools. It makes the classes much more easy and more interesting. So it's very, very good to have.
So far this looks like a really cool program and I'm excited to use it. From what I've seen so far, it looks like one of the nicest things the government's ever gotten for us.